Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use PitchBook. So the first step is to go to pitchbook.com and then you'll have to simply request a free trial. So you'll have to enter your first last name, your business email, and as you can see optional the company name and the phone number, and then simply submit. Now once they accept your request. As you can see, you can use PitchBook for different reasons. As you can see, you can use it for fundraising, business development, and networking, and much more. And as you can see, if we go through one of these, as you can see, we can take a look and see how we can simply use this website to connect with high performing, as you can see, professionals. And it's very easy to use this website. So you'll have to simply create an account and then choose for which one of these uh, methods you want to use this website. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.